Hey Oxygen OS users, it's me Ansh and I'm back with another video. So guys, in this video I'll be telling you about how could you guys can easily install Oxygen OS 11 Dialer messages application and contact application on any of the OnePlus device, and you can easily replace Google Dialer, Google Messages and Google Contact with the original OnePlus application. So this video will be very interesting if you guys uses any of the OnePlus device which will be running on the Oxygen OS 11, so you can easily follow all of these steps which I'll be showing in this video. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, you guys can see that I have enabled the official dialer of the OnePlus in my OnePlus Nord CE device. If you guys wanted to use OnePlus Dialer instead of Google Dialer, so you have to do one thing. Just go into the description box and I have given you some links of 3 applications. First of all, download all of these 3 applications. Then after installing these 3 applications, open the OnePlus phone application. Here you'll get an option to set your OnePlus phone application as a default application. Just tap on this icon and set your OnePlus phone application as the default application. And once you set OnePlus Dialer as the default dialer application on your device, you get a interface like this. You don't have to do anything, just long press on the Google Dialer and tap on the app info. Then app info, just simply disable this application. After disabling Google Dialer, you don't see Google Dialer available anywhere on your device, and now you are set to go. And now you can easily use OnePlus Dialer instead of Google Dialer without any restrictions. If I go to the dialing application and dial a number, and now you can check that there are no restrictions of call recording and no alert about the call recording. So this is very interesting, and now you can use it and record all type of calls and messages. Using this method, you can easily replace Google Dialer with the OnePlus Dialer application. So how you like the video, just let me know in the comment box. It's me Ansh and I'm just signing off.